Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to put Tesla Model X in neutral easy guide. With your foot on the brake, press the stalk down or use controls on the touchscreen to select neutral, then check the dash confirmation. If towing or rolling, enable neutral only when safe and follow manufacturer towing instructions. Always set the parking brake before leaving the vehicle to prevent unintended movement and ensure clear space around the car. To use the drive stalk, keep your foot on the brake and smoothly move the stalk to the neutral detent until the dash shows neutral. Avoid sudden or forceful motions that could confuse the system, and practice once in a safe area to build confidence. If the stalk feels different, consult your owner manual or contact support, and remember that software updates can change menu behavior, so stay familiar with current controls. If this guide is helping, please subscribe and like the video to support more tips. Quick recommendation: I use the Owala water bottle on drives to stay hydrated. It seals well and fits cup holders, making it a handy companion when handling shifts or roadside checks. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Some Tesla Model X versions allow selecting neutral via the touchscreen. Go to Controls, Drive, and choose Neutral while pressing the brake. The dash should update immediately. Use this method when the cabin is stationary and safe, and avoid changing drive modes while passengers are exiting. If neutral is grayed out, the car may require conditions like closed doors or parking brake status to be met before allowing the change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.